Welcome, today I'm showing you how to switch on or off screen touches into screen recorder in your INFINIX Hot 12i. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, then scroll down, find this button in this block, and then press and hold and drag to top like this. And now for save, click back. And we add this button. So now press and hold, and last option, record screen click position. So this position of switcher, it's turn off this option, and this position like green, it's activate this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.